Before 2020, I was not able to speak even a single sentence in English. I felt nervous, underconfident, and honestly left out. But right now, I can talk to people from all over the world. So today, I'm going to tell you my real story or the real English speaking journey, that how did this transformation happen. I started my journey on 29th April 2020. I had a strong desire to understand native speakers, to speak with them. But I was not able to speak English at all. But somehow I started my journey and I came to know about one application which was Buddy Talk. And I started using that application from first day onwards. It doesn't mean that I was able to speak comfortably with them. I was not at all comfortable. I had thoughts, but no words. I wanted to express a lot, but I couldn't. This is a common problem which happens with everyone. I come across a lot of beginners and they ask the same question to me. And I used to have the same question to others, that I used to have a lot of things in my mind, but I wouldn't express them. That's how I started my journey on Buddy Talk. Somehow I started observing them. I started learning from other speakers. At the same time, I started following trainers on YouTube like Lucy, Bob the Canadian, and I started making notes on my notebook. I continued. I know I was not able to understand them. I was not able to speak perfectly, but I continued. I knew that I was on the right track. That's why I continued my journey. But sometimes I used to feel nervous when somebody would make fun of me and somebody would say, "Oh, you make a lot of mistakes." I knew that I was making mistakes, but I was confident enough that I would be able to speak better one day. That was my self belief at that time. I continued my journey and then I came to know about another application which was Halo, Hallo. It was a very nice application in those days. There were few native speakers who used to conduct classes for learners, and I started attending those classes. And I had a desire to interact with them. And I requested, and then I got an opportunity to speak with those English speakers. But I was nervous, so I was not able to speak properly. Somehow I managed that situation. But I'm really thankful to that application, because due to that, I was able to interact with people from United States of America, United Kingdom, and Australia as well. This boosted my confidence. And then from that application, I came to know about a lot of WhatsApp groups. There were many WhatsApp groups where people used to practice English together. And I became part of those groups. And I started practicing English. You would not believe it. For 2 hours, 4 hours, speaking practice. And one day I practiced English for 10 hours. So that was the great day in my speaking English journey. So that's how I continued. And there were many friends who started helping me in my journey. So I used to listen to speakers like Priyanka Chopra, Sadhguru, Gaur Gopal Das, Steve Harvey, Ellen DeGeneres, Jay Shetty, Tom Bayu. I followed them and I used to observe them to become a better speaker. It did not mean that I was able to understand them 100%. Sometimes I used subtitles. Sometimes, even though if I didn't understand, but I continued. So that's how I continued. And then, apart from speaking practice, I started practicing all other activities which people were recommending me. I started speaking out loud, speaking in front of camera, speaking in front of mirror, tongue twisters practice. I did all these things to help my spoken English. And then after a few months, I was able to see the change in myself. I was able to feel that confidence that now I can talk to people from all over the world. Yes, I knew that I was not perfect. At this particular time as well, I know that I'm not perfect. I need to learn a lot, but I am confident enough to speak with people from anywhere. I can express my thoughts I can ask questions to them, and I can motivate others to speak better English. And I'm really thankful to all those speakers or the co-learners who practiced with them, who practiced with me, because due to them only, I am able to speak English right now. Otherwise, without speakers, it's literally difficult to become a good speaker of the language. So I'm really thankful to the platforms like Halo, Buddy Talk, YouTube, and all my friends and the co-learners with whom I practiced. So that's what I can say to you. If I can do it, I'm 100% sure that you can do it too. But English, you cannot speak if you just think. But if you want to be a good speaker, you have to speak. So before ending this video, I want to request you guys that if you feel motivated by listening to my story, then write in the comment below that yes, I'm going to start my journey today and I will be able to speak English. So you have to believe in yourself, then others are going to believe in you. And I'm 100% sure that you would be able to speak English one day. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Many, many thanks to you. And if you liked my story, don't forget to share it with your friends. Bye bye. Take care. See you in next video.